In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Steam games without updating them. Let's dive right in because we know how frustrating it can be when you just want to play a game, but it insists on updating first. First things first, you'll need to open your Steam application, navigate to your desktop, find the Steam icon, and give it a click. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the login button, which should be prominently displayed on the main screen. For those who regularly use Steam, this process will be quite familiar. Once you hit login, it will prompt you to enter your account name and password. Make sure you type these in carefully to avoid any hiccups logging into your account. And if you're like most of us who might forget sometimes, remember you can always reset your password if needed. Once you've successfully logged in, click on the sign in button. This will take you to the home page of your Steam account. From here, navigate to the library section. This is where all of your games are stored, and you probably know exactly where to find your favourite ones. Now, here comes the crucial part. Choose the game you want to play, but usually requires updates. It's always a great feeling to see your whole library and get excited about the titles you have. However, we all know the frustration when a game needs an update and you just don't have the time or bandwidth for it. But don't worry, I've got you covered for that. To play the game without updating, what you'll want to do is go up to the top of your Steam window and click on Steam. A drop down menu will appear. The key move here is to select Go Offline. By doing this, you're ensuring your Steam goes offline, hence not checking for updates automatically. This little trick is what allows you to launch and play your game without it nagging you about the updates. Now when you launch the game, it should open as long as you remain offline. Just go ahead and click the play button and enjoy your game uninterrupted by the need for updates. Remember though, that any online features of your games won't be accessible while you're offline. So keep this in mind if you're planning to play multiplayer matches or need internet dependent features of a game. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to play your Steam games without those pesky updates getting in the way. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you can now enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Have a great time gaming, and I'll see you in the next video.